talked about a problem like this on the very first day of this chapter, but here I've graphed f of x equals x minus 3, the quantity squared, and I want you to estimate the area under the curve by just finding the sum of the areas of the rectangles I've drawn. So don't worry really about the first part of the problem. All we have to do is really this: find the sum of the areas. So I'm just going to look at each individual rectangle. This first rectangle, to find its area, we'll just go base times height. And the base is obviously goes from 0 to 1, that's 1. But what's the height? The height of this rectangle is going to be the functional value when x equals 0. So if I plug 0 in here, 0 minus 3 is negative 3, squared is 9. For the next rectangle, I'm going to do the same thing. Its base, going from 1 to 2, is going to be 1. And its height is the functional value at 1. So plugging 1 into the function, 1 minus 3 is negative 2, squared is 4. And then the last rectangle, this small one. And once again, its base, going from 2 to 3, is also 1. And its height is going to be its functional value at 2. 2 minus 3 is negative 1, squared is 1. So finding that sum, we'll have 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is 14.